You're waiting to convince yourself or to get enlightened in some way. Like you're, sorry, I hate it when that happens. Yeah, I don't know. All right, let's see here. We're going to be doing what you need to know right now. No, we're not that. We're going to be doing, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I don't, you know what? This is the first, I don't know. I'm going to stop this reading because I don't understand this. Wands, somebody coming in. Not doing this. Okay, let's see. Spirit, what does this mean? Oh, that was messy. Okay, I'm sorry. Whoa, what did... Hi everyone and anyone. I will be doing a reading, something different for anybody. And persevere, keep on track. To keep on track of things, you have to get that list out and start planning. Greed. So they know they're kind of greedy, and they're going to try to get. Oh shit! I forgot this. Hi Virgo. This message is for you. I don't even know. This is all right. Okay, here we go. I don't know. This is hi all signs. We're going to be, what in the world was that? Hi all signs. We're gonna be sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna redo this for reals. There's a cycle, something that's satisfied, maybe a little bored. I'm gonna do this again. Okay, something about a house. No. Speaking of getting burned, I just burned my hair and it smells terrible. Yeah, I was reaching over and I burned my hair. Thanks, right? All right. Okay, can I get a like though, guys? Hi all signs. We are going to do something different as usual. This is going to be, oh my God, I just forgot. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna try this again, guys, because Hi all signs, this is Jenelle from Simple Truth Tarot, where things are not so simple, right? We're gonna be doing another who. Actually, we're not gonna be doing a who, sorry. All right, Spirit, this is a roast for Jenelle. Yeah, I am roasted right now. It's hot in here, guys. All right, Spirit, this is for Jenelle. What the hell is Janelle's problem? I'm a flirt, for reals. Yeah, so, all right. Let's get Janelle's advice. Whew. Crap. All right, so, okay. It's hot. All right, Spirit. Uh-oh, it says, you are being shady. I'm feeling it. This is a total roast. Total roast for me. Okay, it says, yeah. Shit can get ugly. Yes, it can. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit. All right, guys. That was just, yeah. Hi, Capricorn. I'm sorry. Hi, all signs. This is going to be an all signs reading for all signs. Here we go, from Aries to Pisces. And I already pre-shuffled, but I'll do it again. All right, here. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry. First reading of the day. Okay. So you could be dealing with an old partner, okay? Not an old partner, but an old, a past partnership here. Oh my God, shut up. I gotta get this right.